States of matter. So first of all, what is matter? Well, everything on Earth is made of matter. Everything you can see and touch is made of matter. Even the things that you can't really see or don't even realise you can touch are made of matter. Even the air around us is made of matter. So matter is anything that takes up space and can be weighed. So in other words, matter has a volume and a mass. Matter can therefore be weighed and measured. But what is matter made of? Well, all matter is made of really tiny particles, too small for us to even see, called atoms and molecules. And we classify everything around us, everything in the world, into three groups, and these are called the three states of matter. We have solid, liquid, and gas. Now, the difference between these three states is just how the particles are arranged and how they behave. And actually, some matter can change from one state to another when they are in very, very particular environments. So matter is anything that takes up space and can be weighed.